Hello, creatives. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. So today we are going to be redesigning this birthday dash flyer design in Photoshop. As for that ado, let's get into it. Now the size I used was 3000 by 3000 pixel. Resolution stays at 300 and click on create. I'll go and bring in and drag the model I used. So this is the model I used. The link of the resources will be in the description. I think I'm okay here. Color code is 623B26. Now I will create a new mask here and press G on my keyboard, bring me to this gradient, then I'll change it to black, and I will hold my shift, drag. Before you do that, so it will not affect the model, just go to select and subject, wait for it to load. This way the black gradient will not affect the model, it will only affect the background. I'll just highlight this place that are not selected and Ctrl J, then take this gradient to the back. Yes, then I can continue with my gradient. Hold your shift, drag, hold your shift. Now it's affecting only the background, it's not affecting the model. Now the color, go to your guide, new guide. I've set here to 50% because I'm using half of the design. Now set here to 90%. I'll take this to the back, I'll shift this. Now the next thing, I'll write this. Let me bring in the design so I can follow it. Next thing is to write you are all invited. You are all invited. Now change the color to pick a color from here. Now hold your Alt and clip it inside this layer you created. Now Ctrl U, give it a hue and saturation. I'll change the hue to hue plus 22, saturation minus 18. So we are all good to go. Now I'll reduce the opacity of this. I'll reduce the opacity and we are good to go. Also, let me reduce the fill. this was the text I created. Reduce the size, reduce the size, reduce the size, give it a lighter tone. Font I use was Numixer. Reduce the size, reduce the size. Let me make all of it capital letter. Reduce the size again and give it space. Yeah, some is okay. Take it to the up. Let me group this. Ctrl G and name it model. And I'll write bash first space. Reduce the line spacing to 0, and the font was, I think, Hyman Trial. Ctrl T. I'll scale it off. Scale it off. Scale it off. Yes. Let's increase the size. Okay. Now Ctrl J, then bring it to the down. I'll write birthday here. In the up one, write birthday. And I'll reduce the size from here. Reduce the size. I've gotten what I wanted, and move it here. Next thing, click on new layer, add a new text, write special. Special is the guy's name. Special and special. The font I used was Numixer bold. Let me increase the size. Increase the size. I'm okay here. And bring it to the down. Ctrl T. And click on this part here. Click on the arc lower. Bring it to the up. Same with the bash. Ctrl T and this is it. I'll hold your shift and control, then take the three of them to the front. I'm bringing this line. Now go to your select color range, invert it, Click on this white part. Okay. If I'm too fast, you can rewind the video, then mask it out, convert it to a smart object. Then go to FX, or you can double click anyone, then color overlay. Then go to your rectangular marquee tool and mask this out. I want to use that, so I'll just mask it out. To do that, when you're just click on mask and boom, and convert it to a smart object. Ctrl T, scale it, reduce the size, hold your shift and drag, take it to the off, bring it to the down, shift it to the side. So now let's turn this into a 3D. Ctrl G, group it, name it text. Now this PSD file will be in the description. Open in PSD file, keep layers, wait for it to load. So this is the text. If you double click it, hide the background and also hide the shadows. Yes. Then double click here, hide it, and go and bring the text you want to make 3D. Bring in the text. So I'm bringing this, bring it inside, then you press Ctrl S so it will save, and automatically it will turn 3D. So here is it. You can see I converted everything into one. Ctrl E to do that. Then bring it here and hide the format text. This is the one we are using. We're going to use. Bring it. You can see. Now bring in this DJ stuff. I call it DJ stuff. Any of them. Bring it, scale it, then just rotate it and scale it down. Take it to the ending. Then I'll bring in my light, my lens flare. Change the blending mode to screen, then move it to the up, take it to that, scale it and take it to there's that upside, take it to the upside, I'll change the color of this font to, I'll pick a color from the Betty Bash. I'm bringing my light, rotate it, then change the blending motion to screen, mask it out, go to my brush, B for brush, then dash sharp edges, you brush it out. Make sure the foreground is black because this mask is white. Bringing the slanted, just rotate it and make it to be slanted a bit. I would Ctrl J and duplicate it, rotate it, leave it with some small, reduce the size, scale it down, take it to the edge, I'm good here. Go to your filter, blur and motion blur, leave it at 20, leave the radius at 21 and angle at 3. Ctrl J to duplicate. That duplicated the lens flare, I'm taking it to the drink, and I changed the blending mode to linear dodge add, also for the first lens flare, linear dodge add. Notice I was using one-sided alignment. Make it transparent, give it a stroke, make the stroke gradient, and notice that first part is white. I just pick a color for me, like a lighter tone of it. Also go to the second one, pick a lighter tone of it. But make sure that the center part, the opacity is 0. You can see. Then if you notice this, the other ones, they are 100, but this middle one, leave it at 0. Increase the stroke, but this one is having like side, so just change the angle. You can see just by changing the angle, look at what you are getting. Yeah, so change your angle to I think 169. Just follow the setting I used. Increase the stroke. Now let me go and write in the date. The font I used was Lumix Bibas. Control T and scale it. I'm good here. Now let me tell you a trick. If you want to balance, if you want this right up to be balanced, hold this just follow what I did. Now let's go and write in the location. Shift it up. Then this. Always make sure you're using your guides. So this is the shape. Now let me bring in the right up. So this is it. Now align it. So the next thing, just slash slant. Do that as many times as you want yours to be. Then give it a lighter tone of the color, Hold my Alt and drag. Yeah, so we are 98% done. Take to the back of the drink. Any other thing remaining? Okay. Let me bring in this. Please do well to download the resources so you can design along with me. Change the blending mode to screen. Go to select subject. Wait for the selection to load. Selection is okay. Now the remaining part with your quick object selection to select this on the parts that are not selected. Then just mask it out, marks them out. Then convert it to a smart object. Go to your filter, blur, and motion blur. Something like this is okay. Reduce it. Then take it to the up. Now you mask it out. Brush out the part you don't want. So we are good here. Let me not brush, let me just leave it here. We are all good. Then the last, let's go and add this. It will also be in the description below. Increase the size, change the blending option to screen, then you mask at I'll Ctrl J this light so that it will be glowing more. Bring it to this side. So guys, this was how I created this design in Photoshop. Thank you for watching guys, and if you have learned something today, please do well to comment, to say it under the comment section, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one guys. Peace.